Hello. So we meet again after a shorter period than the last time, though. This video is not done 1 year back, and as I'm uploading this today, this video was done today itself. That's a good thing, I would say. But apart from that, first thing first. So this is about a challenge that I've taken part in. It's a Minimax challenge, and this is about the hackathon that I'm taking part in, which I have come up with an app using prompt, but not just one prompt. Like keep iterating on that, chatting with Minimax in chat to optimize the prompt itself, like the instruction and everything. This is basically centered around some problems that I face and how I try to solve them manually, centered around parents with kids, toddlers less than 5 years old or 7 years old probably, and who really struggle to manage their time, balance it, help their kids, and at the same time try to find time for themselves, or struggle to find the time for themselves, or can't even make it. Sometimes it goes to the end of getting like 1 hour in the week. That itself is quite tough to get. Sometimes people who are quite ambitious in what they want to achieve, it might take a toll if you are really trying hard to balance everything out without sacrificing on your kids, without sacrificing on your goals, without sacrificing on anything else, the competing demands that comes to you on your plate. So let's quickly jump into
What I have here is a structured prompt that I believe Minimax agent can understand. That's what I prompted it to do that. And as we go through this, I have been chatting a lot around this to properly structure it.
so the name of this app is ParentFlow, and the intention of this app is to help parents find that particular time block within the day where they can actually spend for themselves, like for hobbies or whatever they wish to do with that extra time. Sometimes the times are there, it's just like so distributed and we are not able to identify that. It might not be the perfect solution, but it's still an efficient solution that can help parents find that moment for themselves that they are really struggling to find. So this is how you can see the animations and all. Actually, we are able to do it. It took a while to center and line stuff, make those color schemes and everything. I have taken into account calling out anime.js and GSAP libraries to actually integrate this kind of animations that you see, but I still kept it quite basic. And then you can see those hover effects, whether it's there or on the logo itself. So I've kept them very simple but still straightforward. I really wanted to like move forward with this app, so I considered the challenge to be the first step, and I hope I can make time at least now, because I have created this app to also map out the next steps, like evaluating this app, do some tests and everything. That's why I mapped out the entire timeline. And also I have kept places here to for people to actually just type in and send their feedback or anything they want to send in terms of interest if they have to use this app. Currently it's free of cost completely. You can go ahead and use it and see how it is. And then you can, let's dive in quickly. So yeah, I am expecting there should be some problems in the app, but let's see how far I can go with this. I literally have to disable some of those things. Let me find. I was worried about that first of all. So now we have Like you can literally like put in your whatever you want to register with. Like you can go ahead with the continue with Google or GitHub or X or whatever, or you can also sign up directly. Let's say I am putting in like test at the rate gmail.com. You can generate funny names also. Hope that's kind of interesting. Emerald Height, Silver. Oof, I really like the names. It's kind of nostalgic, reminds me of my college days. But yeah, if you can like any of it, you can go ahead and do that. And then your password 1234. No, but yeah, you can basically create. Let me create one. Um, let's see. I literally typed 1234. Okay, let's see what it does. So here you go. It has saved something. No, I don't want to save it. So here you go, and you can see I have now logged in, and you can see on the top I have my name in here. I can go back to home and go back to my profile also. Yeah, I don't like the color of that. That's for some other name, other day. So you can create that. Plus, now I want to create a plan. So your special moments, if you have, then you will get it here, or else you can just start creating one. Like set up your family schedule first. Now, in terms of family schedule, let's say school drop off, and let's say the time is morning 8 a.m. As you see, so it will just take it automatically whatever the timing is. Add that as anchor. Before that, you can select which days. There you go. We have already added that. Now let's say school pickup for the same Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Now the pickup is, let's say, 11. Now that's a little bit, I have to work around. Let's say 11 a.m. and I add that anchor. After that, let's say playtime all days. And this one, maybe I put this as, so there is this error I have constantly seen coming up. So whenever I put the first digit, it immediately texts should wait, probably, or something. But as you see, if you put it 17, it will take it 5. That's a good thing. Now I have 8 a.m., 11 a.m., and 5 p.m. So let's say the next step. So these are the 3 family anchors I have added. So let's create my plan now. It should be as simple as it is. So once you finish something, like you said, now it has already mapped out family dinner and chat, bedtime routine. So for personal project, it has added 8:15 p.m. to 8:40 p.m. That's the time for me. Okay. So I don't know, quick exercise. I never do that at night. Maybe some people might do. But you can see there are even labels being added like kid time, workup time, course. So it goes in very comprehensive. So if you are able to just do it one shot, you have to literally do one time, and then it will just keep it all ready for you. There are other things coming up like WhatsApp reminder, but now it's not in place. Then you can have like weekly goals and all those things as it is. Then find passion time in this. So once you have done with something, then you can just select as completed, like that. And then if you want to add some passion block, So this is something separate. So in here you can like add in like art and drawing, dancing, exercise and fitness, photography, and continue to plans. So now you have those like gentle start or select a plan. So we don't have much, just those currently based on whatever time block you have got left. So confirm the plan and you are done. That's it. Now you can set up your reminder. So for reminder, you can see Google Calendar is also in place. So like 15 minutes block, enable calendar reminders, what to include in the export. If it's in weekly, then you can do that. So if you want to test it, you can test it first, or else just go ahead and save settings and continue. So add all events. Yes, I want to add all my events. So basically, once you do that, it will practically take you to your Google Calendar. It's pretty quick, right? And if you want to create a weekly schedule, also you can do that. Just for one click, it will just take you and connect with your Google Calendar. All done. So all your schedule and everything will be in place. If you want to print it out, you can print it out also. So there you go. Like you can connect with Apple, you can connect with this is particularly for exporting those schedules to different apps. So I have all those like for ICS file export. These are all also there if you want to do that. Upcoming will be the WhatsApp reminder and all. But for now, this is all. So once you are done with all this, then you can start adding all those as a special moment thing. As so yeah, that's it. There you go. We have the parent flow ready. So one time you set it up, and then it just take care of your entire schedule. Easy peasy. Bye bye.